11 locust trees. Elevate them, get any dead wood down lower. What we're wanting to accomplish here is visibility to the building. So you got the big ENT sign here, got the main road there, Main Street. When all these lower limbs are down, it really baffles this vision here, and they want to open that up, let people know that they're here. I don't like this one limb here. I think what I'll do is I'll probably cut it back to this one. I'll probably go out here, you know, a relief cut or a snap cut so it pops off, leave a little bit of a stub, and then I'll come back, cut that nice and clean. You step back here and see it was actually hanging lower than this bottom limb, and if my truck wasn't there, you'd see the ENT sign. So by me cutting this limb off, this will really open this up for clearance. Over here, we'll definitely cut it back away from the building. Looks like we got some really long tip weight over here. So we definitely want to work on that and kind of lift it up a little bit. So you guys see how I was cutting out all this little sucker growth, that's what we call it. When you have a bunch of the sucker growth here, deprives the tree of the nutrients of where they need to go to the apical buds. I think it also helps with overcrowding and thinning out. So this way they also have checkpoints for starches and reserves, and it looks a lot better and cleaner and can prioritize where the growth needs to go versus all these little sucker limbs like this that are ultimately just depriving the tree of the nutrients. So it's a really good thing to actually be doing. This one over here, crowding this light, it's gonna absorb all that light. All right, chat, W for today. We trimmed up, elevated, and thinned out these 11 locusts really quick. Maybe spent about 30 to 45 minutes each on them. Right here was hanging over the roof quite a bit, and it was actually quite a bit lower as well. So we lifted that up, thinned it out a little bit, and cut those branches back. Right here was pretty congested as well. It was really crowding this light. So we cut those back and again elevated that. We elevated and cut back from the street a little bit, so that looks really good. If you guys don't know, sidewalk clearance is 8 foot and over the road is 13 foot according to standards. So that's what we did, and went pretty smooth. Yeah, W chat, make sure you like and subscribe, and you'll see more videos like this.